Yarrow, a plant with delicate white flowers and feathery leaves, has been revered for centuries for its potent medicinal properties. Historically, yarrow was a staple in the herbal medicine kits of soldiers and healers, earning it the nickname, soldier's woundwort. But what makes yarrow so special? Yarrow is rich in essential oils, flavonoids, and alkaloids, which contribute to its healing properties. Some of its medicinal benefits include anti-inflammatory effects, reducing swelling and pain; antiseptic properties, preventing infections; aiding digestion and relieving gastrointestinal discomfort; regulating menstrual cycles and alleviating cramps. Now, let's explore how you can harness yarrow's power in your own homestead. Step 1. Harvest yarrow and dry it in a shaded, well-ventilated area. Step 2. Once dried, crush the yarrow into a fine powder. Step 3. Mix the yarrow powder with a base oil, like olive or coconut oil, to create a healing salve. This salve can be applied to cuts, bruises, and insect bites for natural relief. Step 4. For internal benefits, brew yarrow tea by steeping dried yarrow in hot water. Drink this tea to soothe digestive issues or menstrual discomfort. Embrace the natural healing power of yarrow, a non-toxic remedy that has stood the test of time. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies.